Track 37 Lima, that'll be just fine. Let's maintain VFR. Speed and altitude permit, turn right heading 330. So
that's our
nav runway 19er, right approach.
Right turn 330, 37 Lima.
Here, I can do it if you want. Are you?
I got it.
Okay.
International Tower, Cessna 227 Tango Whiskey is 12 miles to the south inbound for touch and go, and we have information.
Zulu. Watch out.
227 Tango Whiskey, Kansas approach, enter right traffic, runway 19 right.
Enter right traffic for 19 right, 227 Tango Whiskey.
Interesting that he identified himself as approach, but he's also controlling tower.
Thank you.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, there's not coming.
Tango Whiskey, when you enter right down, just extend right down when you're going to be number 3 through the field, following the CRJ7.
Extend the right downwind from 19 right, and we're number 3, 7 Tango Whiskey.
Good. That'll be cool, see a CRJ7
right
pass
traffic
us.
for runway 19 right.
Delta 710, searching.
What's their pattern altitude? 2,000 feet flat?
About 2,100. Weird how a couple 20-year-olds can come up here in a Skyhawk and fuck with actual international traffic.
For sure, it's kind of spooky, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I know we're not like at Chicago O'Hare, but it's still a big airport, you know?
Yeah.
Fire 302, Roger.
What is that? Look at that plane get. Oh, that's a tug or something.
5870 International Tower, yep.
And 5870, we're with you. We're on a base 4, 19 right.
That's 5870, runway 19 right. Cleared to land, MD-80's short final.
MD-80?
Right pattern following you in.
MD-80 coming in?
That's that.
Yeah.
Delta?
19 right, cleared to land, and we have that traffic in front of us.
Don't believe it.
Yeah, I missed the last rescue vehicle that called off.
Oh, it's a rescue vehicle. What the hell? There's a
91
plane
right.
stopped on the
I
runway.
saw that.
You see that?
Yep.
What's going on there? There's an MD-80 touching down.
Those things are about to die.
Yeah.
Delta already said they're cutting them.
Mad dog. He's way out there on the left base. About 5 miles away from us. I got him.
7 Tango Whiskey, traffic to follow for you is that you're 1 o'clock and 3 miles joining a 4-mile left dog leg CRJ7. Let me know when you get inside.
Traffic inside 7 Tango Whiskey.
Roger.
Yes.
Sorry, you could have handled that, I know.
That's 4608 at 60, push for runway. Actually, at 60, just hold your push right now. I got an MD-80 inbound. Skyhawk 7 Tango Whiskey, follow the CRJ7, runway 19 right, clear for the option, caution, wake turbulence.
We have the option 19 right, caution wake turbulence, follow the CRJ, 7 Tango Whiskey.
Okay, 7 Tango Whiskey, where are your intentions after the option?
Be touch and go then outbound to executive 7 Tango Whiskey.
7 Tango Whiskey, routes maintain VFR and proceed on course executive on the go.
Maintain VFR on course to exec on the go, 7 Tango Whiskey.
And Tower Sky with 5870 is off of Alpha 6, off of 19 right.
Sky 5870 International Grounds can be Alpha Delta to the ramp.
Alpha Delta to the ramp with East Coast 5870.
That's pretty cool.
Airport 210 plus tag along, you can join Bravo, northbound Bravo to the signature route.
Looking good.
Looking good. I would aim right at the back of the black skid marks.
Okay.
Tower 37 lane, runway 19 right, clear for the option. After the option, proceed to downtown.
Hold the nose
For
up.
the option, proceed downtown, 37 Lima.
Left.
Try landing with 20.
Okay.
As well. Right on 65. Didn't even need them.
You tell me when to reduce my power.
Yeah. Go ahead and start pulling it back and letting the nose come down.
Sky 5870, what's your gate?
Keep coming down.
And our gate will be 63, Scout 5870.
Sky 5870, hold short of Charlie 7.
Hold short, Charlie 7, Scout 5870.
Right rudder. Nice. See how much runway we still have. That's just 6,000 to go sign. Still longer than executive's whole runway right now.
Let's bounce.
Were you aware that the runway signs?
No, I'm not. Of those black ones.
Yep. Nice job on that.
Thanks.
So I think those are all Air Canada, and then we got Delta over there.
Say 7 Tango Whiskey, runway 18, clear to land number 1, winds 180 at 6.
Clear to land, runway 18, 7 Tango Whiskey.
There you go.
Clear to land 18.
Clear to land 18, 6 Juliet Delta.
There you go. Take her all the way down.
Tower, Sears 787, Charlie Delta on the visual approach, runway 18, in trail of the Meridian.
Cirrus 787, Charlie Delta, exec tower, follow the Meridian, runway 18, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land, runway 18, find the Meridian, Sears 787, Charlie Delta.
Not bad. A little wonky on short final, but
Yeah.
not
Tried
bad.
to correct it. And the wind's right off our nose, right? So.
Yep.
Cessna 7
Got
Tango
those
Whiskey,
brakes.
taxi parking via Bravo Charlie, monitor to ground, have a good day.
Taxi to parking, Bravo Charlie, monitor ground, 7 Tango Whiskey.
Alright, I'll get grounded up here for you.